Okay, guys, I got No Pro Arctic Survival down there. I watched Elijah do it the other day. I got emailed him, got a copy of it. I'm going to give it a try here. Shooting Tikka t1x, nightforce scope, 50 yards. Got targets hung down there, as you can see. I'm working on getting a camera for put down range. But we're gonna give it a try using Lapua Center X today. Figure we try that instead of the pistol match. See how that worked out for us. Alright, here we go. I have to excuse the wind. Again, I don't have the stuff to make videos normally, so I'm working on it, but it's definitely windy out, snowing, as you probably see. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think we might have made her to the igloo. Let me put you on pause for a second. I'm gonna walk down so you can go, and we'll get the target on here. Okay, guys, you can tell I've been out here playing with the date range and no pro targets, a little bit of this and that, but anyway, here's where we're at. 50 yards. It's cold. I'm gonna take it in the house and score it up and see where we're at. Thanks, guys. Appreciate the likes, the subs. We're definitely gonna try to get some more videos out, maybe 1 or 2 a week. I'm gonna try, see what happens. Thanks again.